Yes, yes, yes. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made a whopping $1,800 day trading the NASDAQ on a 5-minute chart. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a live example later on. But before I even get to that, I just want to explain to you guys what I do pretty much every single day. Okay, so what I'm doing every single day is I'm looking for the market to react at certain key levels. Okay, my key levels I look for are support and resistance, right? And supply and demand. The reason why I'm looking for both of those levels is because I'm trading one market. Sometimes it might not come to the support and resistance, and sometimes it might not come to the supply and demand. Okay, so I have both levels. Now, the reason why I look for a reaction is because it gives me more confidence that the trade is working, and also it shows me that buyers or sellers are in the market. Now, what I used to do back in the days, right? I used to basically be aggressive when I saw the market go to the level. Okay, now some people will actually buy as soon as the market gets to a supply or demand or support or resistance. I don't usually do that. Okay, there's nothing wrong with buying as soon as the market go to that certain level. But me personally, I did pretty much everything when it comes to trading when I first started. So I know for a fact that I feel comfortable with, just waiting for confirmation. I don't want to be that aggressive trader. I rather wait for the market to tell me what it wants to do. Because so many times, I got burnt in the past where I'm just so aggressive, so, anxious to get in the market just because I think the market's going to go up, right? And then the market just stops me out. So I like to look for confirmation. It's to the point where sometimes I don't even like to be the first buyer. Sometimes I might just wait a little bit just to see a little bit more confirmation and take the trade from there, okay? Yes, I might miss out on a move, but it's okay. I don't know if you guys ever heard the saying, the second mouse get the cheese. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to be the second mouse so I can actually get the cheese, because the first mouse might get trapped, right? So me personally, I'm okay with missing out on a move. It is what it is. But for the most part, I'm usually getting my moves because I'm looking for a certain reaction at a key level. And I'm gonna show you guys on the chart what I mean by that. Now, based on, how it reacts, I might go light or heavy. This is all based on, back testing in your stats and understanding what the market is doing. It's almost like playing poker. I don't play poker at all, but I'm familiar with, how poker players, just look at their hands. And if you have a good hand, guess what? You're probably going to bet more because there's a high probability hand and it might make you win the game. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm looking at certain trades, looking to see if it's a high quality trade. And sometimes I risk more and sometimes I don't. Now, with my trading, guys, I really, really heavily focus on the market structure, okay? The context of the market. That is my bread and butter. Context is king, because if you don't understand the direction, you're gonna get stopped out or trapped a lot of times, okay? So if the market is bullish, just because it's bullish doesn't mean I'm gonna buy. Let me say that again because it's very important. Just because the market is in an uptrend, right, it doesn't mean I want to buy. It doesn't mean I'm going to look to buy. Why is that? Because, I'm quite sure some of you guys heard, the trend is your friend. There's nothing wrong with that. Yes, that is true. But a lot of times the trend might trick you. So you have to understand that, okay, it's a possibility we might reverse. So if I see signs of a reversal, I'm not going to get long. I'm not going to try to buy the market. So you have to understand that context is king. And that's why I really, really focus on 90% of the time when I'm watching the market. So let me show you guys a couple of trades that I took last week and this week, all right? Now, before I show you guys these trades, this is the 5-minute chart, right? I'm looking at the 5-minute chart and I'm always looking for the direction on the 5-minute chart, all right? I'm not really trying to focus too much on the higher time frames, especially, because I trade one chart, one market. So right here, we have a great example of the 5-minute chart, right? And I'm looking at the market. This is where the market opened right here, all right? So overall, I'm looking at the context of the market. Remember, I said context is king. I see a resistance level, okay, up top right here. Now, I'm looking at this and I'm saying to myself, if I see a good reaction at that level, I'm going to go short, okay? Now, what do we have? We have two rejections right here. So I saw the second rejection, I got in, okay, right here. And basically I took it all the way down to this low right here, right? Now, let's say that I didn't wait for that reaction and I got in as soon as it hit the resistance. Could that work? Yes, it could definitely work. But sometimes it will blow right past that resistance. So me personally, I feel, right, when I'm trading, I feel really confident when I see a reaction, because that reaction is telling me that sellers, okay, or buyers are in the market. So me personally, when I'm risking money, I'm not going like, should I buy? I'm saying, oh, wow, I see a good reaction. Let me hit that sell button, okay? Or let me hit that buy button. So let me show you guys another example. All right, so here's another example of a level, right, which is support. And basically, the market is bouncing off the support level, right? So we have a rejection right here. We have another rejection right here. This is where the market opened right here. So this is where I actually got in, went long because I saw a reaction. Again, I'm a trader that loves reactions. You know, it gives me confidence. So we had a nice reaction. Boom. I went long. I was looking for the market to at least go to the high or close to the high, but it never reached to the high. So it came back, stopped me out for a break even. It is what it is. So it came back to that level again, showed me another reaction, and I got in, right? And I got out right here at that supply level, right? So that is a good example of me just waiting for a reaction at a key level. I'm understanding the context. The context is the market is basically ranging, okay? So we are at the bottom of the range. I'm trying to look for a buy, right? And I'm looking for a continuation. So let's go to another example. All right, here's another example, guys. Right here we have supply, okay? And the market pulled back to that supply area. Again, a key level. And I see a nice reaction. You see this nice bearish bar right here, guys? Right here. That's where I actually got in, went short. Okay, and I target the demand area right here, and I was out. So let me show you guys another example. So here's another example, guys. Pretty much the market shot down. So the context is the market is weak. I want to go short, right? And we have supply right here. I didn't go. Remember, sometimes I don't like to be in the first reaction. So right here we had a nice reaction right here, but to me, you know, the market shot up pretty, quick, and I wanted to just give it a little bit more confirmation. Remember, I said before, I'm okay being the second mouse. The second mouse usually get the cheese, so I like to be the second mouse. I don't like to rush, and if I miss the move, it is what it is. That's how I trade. Now, we have a nice reaction right here. You see this reaction right here, nice bearish bar. I got in. The market basically gave me a one-to-one, right? But it wasn't enough. And I was looking for the market to at least go to these lows right here, or this demand right here, right? But it never reached that demand, so that was a break-even trade right there. Now, let me show you guys the trade that I took today, in my bed. I was literally in my bed taking this trade, so let me show you guys this trade right here. So this is the trade today. Basically, the market shot up. We had a nice demand level right here. It came to that demand level right here, okay? And we had a nice reaction. You see this nice bullish bar right here, okay? That's where I got in. And basically, I got out right at this high right here, and I was done for the day. So let me show you guys a quick recording real quick. All right, so basically, this is actually where I got in the trade. You see the market going up. Pretty much is going my way. I added some more. So right now, I'm just waiting for the market to go to my target profit. So let me fast forward this, show you guys what happened next. All right, so right here, you see me about to get out. Is right there at my target profit, and I just flattened the rest of the trades. And if you look at the screen, I'm up $1,825 for the day. All right, guys. So basically, you saw that trade. We was at the demand level. We had a nice reaction. I got in that trade, and I was looking for a quick scalp to the upside. So that's pretty much what I do every single day. I love to see my reactions, but again, the whole thing is context is king. The last trade I saw right there, the market was bullish, right? So that was telling me that, okay, it's okay to take buys, okay, if it comes to a key level. I didn't see any signs of reversals. So it was okay for me to take some buys. So that's what I'm doing every single day, guys. I hope this is helping you. I hope that you can see what I'm doing and you can actually incorporate this with your trading. Now, if you want to learn more about what I do, make sure you check out my trading program in the link in the description. I actually have a sale going on, and this is the lowest price the training is going to be this year. And it's probably only going to be for 2 weeks. So make sure you take advantage of that. Now, if you want to learn the holy grail of trading, right, make sure you look at this video right here. This video is going to show you what is the holy grail when it comes to trading.